Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm the registration and training status for event security. Scan on QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my fans Wetu TV. It's a KEF Confed, Almas 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Menier Wetiski.
Sibos.
Fede Menier.
Great.
Angimnandi Menier.
And Coach KP. Asingamoshi isikhathi sithiwe. Okay, remember ngihleze ngitshela ukuthi if analyzer ibhola okanye ama game.
Yes.
Awukwazi ukuvesana uye egameni nje kunezinto ongayicheckanga. There is something esithi pre-match analysis esicheckayo for ama team efezodlala. Well, coming to igame today, mo checka i Chiefs as well as Al Masry. Al Masry ikore amagoli ay 18. They consider 11, which is +7. And then you have the Chiefs ikore amagoli ay 13. They consider 6, which is +7.
+7.
All right. Lento le bigtshela ukuthini lento bigtshela ukuthi egamini today oyithu ama team azokora okanye maningi ama chances ama team kanjani akore oyithu futhi ama team maningi ama chances ukuthi kanjani ukuthi concede again lento bigtshela ukuthi igame there is a high possibility ukuthi izophela with a 1 goal margin, which means bekungaba u2-1 okanye bekungaba u1-0 igame today iphele ngoba iscore
2
phele ngo2-1. There is a 1 goal margin. Oyithu amathi manjani aconsidile. Oyithu amathi manjani akorile. All right,
it's advanced stuff, man.
Yeah, asibuyele egameni. Football kuthiwa yini it's a contact sport, right?
Yes.
So lento ngibuyisela kuphi? Ngibuyisela ekuthenini Sithibo, if you win the physically badly, you have already won 60% of the game.
If you win the physical.
Yes, if you win the physically badly, you have won 60% of the
match
of the game. Lento ngibuyisela egamini today with the Chiefs. Abomntu bastrugglishile first half. Abocele bastrugglisha first half. Abomthetho bastrugglisha first half. Why? Because amachita lawa ase Egypt always abefuna ukufika kuphi qala kuphi ebholeni. That is why Chiefs engakhonanga ukuthi idlale first half because bayiluzile in physical back. Lento yahamba yaba impact even nange second half kwaba difficult ukuthi game baywin.
That's because of the physical.
If you win the physically badly, you have won 60% of the
game.
Because football is a contact
sport.
All right, asibuyele egolini le Chiefs. Egolini le Chiefs ikore ba Koro Solomon.
Yes.
Well, it was coming because muthi uyachecka first half umuntu obenama
chance
ama goal attempts okanye beba kuma spaces ukuthi engathola igoal okanye create bekuyena uSolomon. There is why na today wahamba wagcina njani akorile. But nakhona ukuze akore ukora because if you have umfundo Vilakazi egroundini une goal. The moment you have umfundo Vilakazi egroundini unani une goal. Where uyakora or uya assist but uzobe involved kuphi goal. Uzobe involved kwi-goal.
Okay.
Siyabonga Sibos.
Sumnandi.
Sengimnandi.
Thank you Menier. Well said. Uvila is very that impactful. Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?